Well, this is the last day of the boat. She comes out this morning. Just doing the last prep. Gonna take down the bimini here. Morning sunshine looks good. Weather's pretty light. Thank you, God, for making it a light morning. And then you can see everything kind of going on here. We're gonna basically just untie, get the motor started, make sure the lights are working, and get me down to the shipyard for haul out. Last sail, I guess last motoring into shipyard. Got a beautiful sun rise. A little hard to see, like right in my path, but yeah, it's going all right. Engine's working all right. Time to put her away. All right, so here I am in the shipyard, getting ready to be hauled out. That's it looks like here behind me. They're working on the boat. I'm next in the queue. Looking forward to having her out in the dry here so I can see how the bottom looks. It looks good. Hatch is held. Just inspecting. I had repair work all in here. So it's all looks good. I gouged a huge hole there, so that held. I had one, what are those blisters are called? Blisters. This was all redone, so it looks fine. There was too much on the keel before when we lifted it last time, so it actually cracked right here, but I can see my paint was, I had an hour for it to dry before putting in, so the paint looks like it's come off, but I don't think there's any water leakage. So I'm just gonna have to grind that and repaint. But there was actually a crack here. And all along here, and then basically I did the whole sides. Nada. That just looks perfect. I didn't have too much up here. And then on this side here, I had the same thing. This is the side here where that whole patch had lifted off. So I ground it out, sealed it, filled it with epoxy, and he fouled it. It looks good. 5 layers of the epoxy E2000 Interlux undercoating. So this one here was my rough repair. I didn't have much of a time. That was like I had 2 hours before they put in to fix that. So that's why it looks bumpy, but it didn't crack. So that's good. And then I had my pillar. This was all smashed up here. This side not too bad. On the outside. And up here. This one here was this one was the worst side. And I could see some little dots for my work, but you can't really tell. It looks fine. Nice job. Okay. Just pull this down, which had my electrical panel, and I'm going to start diagnosing what wires I need and which ones I don't, and slowly rewire this, so stay tuned.